I'm here with Caroline.
Hello.
She's doing this awesome tea tasting here at her place. And right now, what are you doing? What method is this one?
So this is Guy 1. You can see. So the lid pronounced Guy, and this looks like a bowl. So this is a Guy 1.
Guy 1.
Yes. This is a very easy way to brew the tea. And I want to brew you the tea now. Is called Phoenix Mountain. It's a type of heavily fermented and heavily roasted. It has a really nice honey-like, lychee-like flavor of fragrance. Dump the first part, the first steep. This is a very special, unique kind of tea pot. It's called purple clay. It's from a Yixing in China, because it has a porous nature. So there's small tiny holes.
Yeah.
So the teapot can breathe actually. So it can absorb the flavor and release it. So I only use this teapot for certain kind of
because it's gonna
teas.
absorb the flavor.
Yes. So
Got it.
so if you mix brew different type of tea, then you messed up the good tea. So the brewing tea, especially the tea that is in a bowl shape, it takes time to open up. So we say the first steeping, you taste the flavored order just a little bit, and the second steeping, when the flavors start to release, you get the real sense of the tea, of this part of tea, and the third steeping is the best of this, the pot, because the flavor has totally been released. So it's like climbing mountain and it goes down. So a good tea leaves easily you can brew it for 6-7 times.
Okay, so yeah, you heard that right. A good tea can be brewed 6 to 7 times. So if you have good tea like this, don't throw it away. And if you're looking for some high quality tea, Caroline actually has a store where she sells these tea leaves. She works directly with farmers, so you're getting the highest quality. I'll put the link down below in the description to check it out.
There. Is the color changing?
Yeah, it's like turning orange.
Uh-huh.
Wow. So overall, the tea was amazing. I had a really awesome experience. Thank you, Caroline, for having me. And if you guys want some high quality tea, I recommend you go over to Young Tea if you're in Seattle. And if you're not Seattle, you can go ahead and check out her store. She has amazing stuff. If you happen to be in Seattle on the 20th of this month, August, I will be serving a special drink at Young Tea. So go ahead and be there. It's in downtown Chinatown district. Really cool spot. Thank you so much, Caroline, for having me, and also for the goodies that you sent me home with. Y'all just go check this out. It's a really nice tea shop. Love it.